Sun, rain and snow, smog and pollution, and time itself. All these elements combine to age and tatter your flag. Colonial Flag offers affordable and convenient services to help you maintain the pristine condition of your flag. All of our nylon and polyester U.S. flags are the highest quality in the industry and are made proudly in the USA. They are expertly crafted from durable outdoor-grade materials with embroidered stars and sewn-on stripes. However, a flag flown continuously may need to be replaced 2 to 3 times a year. It is important to keep your flag repaired, not only to observe proper flag etiquette, but also to convey respect of the flag to all who see it. Through our flag care programs, we can help you extend the life of your flag and, when needed, retire it with respect. It's easy to have Colonial take care of your flag. Drop it off or have us come get it whenever it needs care, or just drop it in the mail. Flag rotation. We make flag care convenient and hassle-free with our flag rotation service. By setting up a flag rotation account with Colonial Flag, you receive individual attention and scheduled rotation from our experienced staff. We carefully store one repaired flag in your designated bin inside our facility for each flag you are flying on your flagpoles under your account. At the time of your scheduled or requested rotation, we come to your location, remove the tattered flag, and respectfully hoist the fresh flag. The tattered flag is then brought to our facility for repair and then placed back into your holding bin awaiting your next flag rotation. When your flag has reached the point where it is beyond repair, you will receive a courtesy call requesting your permission to put a beautiful new flag up on your flagpole at the time of your next rotation. Whether at your home or your business, we take care of all the details, ensuring that you are always flying a flag that looks its best. We recommend rotating your flag 6 times per year, though big flags will need rotating more often. Pricing for our flag rotation services can be found on our website or just give us a call. Our prices are listed per service call, and as an added value, all flag rotation customers receive a 20% ongoing discount toward the purchase of new flags and hardware. Flag repair. Our professional staff can expertly repair your flag. Just drop it off, have us pick it up, or even send it in the mail. Whether it's a U.S. flag, a custom flag, or a decorative flag, we can repair wind-tattered ends or damaged headers and replace missing grommets. Flag retirement. Even with proper care, no flag lasts forever. When the time comes to replace your flag, we provide retirement services that will dispose of your flag with the same care and respect you have given while you owned it. As you've seen, Colonial Flag's flag care programs give you convenient and hassle-free ways to lengthen the life of your flag. When you sign up for one of our popular scheduled plans, we'll let you know when your flag needs attention and take care of all the details. You'll be able to show respect, save money, and extend your flag's life. That way, you'll always have a beautiful flag without ever giving it a thought.